With a quick little outfit of the day, and this is my jacket I got from Forever 21. I have this pair with a Forever 21 cami on, so the girls are semi out today. This is my necklace I showed you all last time. I got it on with some hoops, of course curls popping. I have this on today with my favorite little booties, and as y'all can see, eating right, get on somewhere, eating right and paying off. The curves are looking right. So I just thought this was a cute little color combination. The boots go very well with the jeans and the jacket. This jacket is so cute, y'all, and they still have it on Forever 21's website. So let me know if y'all enjoy this outfit. And I do have a cute little purse that I showed you all this in my last video, but I got the purse today. And as you all can see, this is just a cute little outfit, y'all. I just love these boots. And then the gold accents on this purse go with that. And then the silver is going to match and complement the cream in this jacket. So yes, let me know if y'all are feeling this outfit of the day, y'all. Can't even let y'all see my bundles, but this is the thick girl edition, the thick chick edition of this outfit of the day. I'm in a different bathroom, so this lighting is somewhat better. But yes, y'all, this jacket is so comfortable. It's about, I don't know, 40 degrees today. So I felt like wearing my boots because it's still cold. I didn't switch my purse. But yeah, y'all, I've done enough talking. So if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified of the next time I post the outfit of the day, y'all. And I told y'all, if I'm feeling real cute, I'm gonna post my outfit of the day. So I do thank y'all for watching. Boom, thank y'all for supporting. Boom, boom. And I will see y'all in my next video. Head, shoulders, from the top to the bottom. From the top to the bottom. Hey. Bye, y'all.